On the tableau, we have Squadron Leader Manish Kumar, Squadron Leader Ashirwad Mishra, Squadron Leader Shashi Prakash Mishra, and Flight Lieutenant Shivangi Singh.
The country's first woman Rafale fighter jet pilot, Shivangi Singh, was part of the Indian Air Force tableau at the Republic Day parade on Wednesday. She is the only second woman fighter jet pilot to be part of the IAF tableau. Last year, Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant became the first female fighter jet pilot to be part of the IAF tableau. Singh, who is from Varanasi, joined the IAF in 2017 and was commissioned in the IAF's second batch of women fighter pilots. She had been flying MiG-21 Bison aircraft before flying the Rafale. She is part of the IAF's Golden Arrow Squadron, based out of Ambala in Punjab. The first batch of Rafale fighter jets arrived on July 29, 2020, nearly 4 years after India signed an intergovernmental agreement with France to procure 36 aircraft at a cost of Rs 59,000 crore. So far, 32 Rafale jets have been delivered to the IAF and 4 are expected by April this year.